Welcome to this presentation of Manatal for in-house HR teams, during which we will review the core features of Manatal, composed of the department section in which we will discuss how you can use Manatal to manage each of your departments. Next, we will jump into the jobs, where we will discuss how to easily track candidates through the recruitment pipeline of each job. We will also be introducing how you can add candidates directly to your database and what will be the different channels you will be able to connect with Manatal. Lastly, we will talk about managing the candidate database you have built and how to search for candidates. Starting with departments, here you will be able to see all the information about the different departments that are created on your account. Manatal lets you completely customize how the departments will look like. For example, if your company is structured by offices or any other corporate structure type, it is possible to customize Manatal to reflect that. Now, jumping into a specific department, here you will be able to see everything you need to know about that particular department, such as what are the different vacancies and their status, how many candidates you have for each vacancy, view activities, notes, and attachments linked to that department, share access to that department with your recruiting team or hiring managers, and manage all requisitions. All of this giving the user a very good understanding of what is happening within that department. Let's head to the jobs menu next. Here, you are able to see the list of all the jobs under your Manatal account and customize the columns to your liking if needed. Opening a specific job will display all the candidates in that vacancy and the various stages of your recruitment pipeline. All of these stages are fully customizable. You can define exactly what stages you want in your pipeline to reflect your company's recruitment process. Moving candidates is very easy. Simply drag and drop a profile from one stage to another. And now, an important question. How did the candidates arrive here in the first place? As mentioned previously, Manatal will allow you to connect to a wide range of channels to your account, and candidates from those channels will have their profiles automatically created in Manatal. The first of those channels is simply to integrate your company website directly with Manatal. If you do not currently have a website where it is possible to post your openings, Manatal also offers a built-in career page that can be completely customized. Your career page can be personalized by defining the layout, adding nice images, and most importantly, advertise your current vacancies. Your candidates can directly see your vacancies and check the information related to each job. And you or them can even share the job on social media for extra visibility. More importantly, candidates can easily apply, and you can even customize the application form that candidates will submit for each job. Once your candidates submit their application, their profile will be created in Manatal and all of this information will be added to their profile. Now, perhaps you are currently using job boards to advertise your vacancies. All those job boards can easily be configured to receive applications straight to your Manatal account in the relevant job, instead of having to visit each job board every day to see which candidates have applied. If you are not yet using job boards, Manatal offers free job board posting, as well as quick, easy, and effective premium job board posting on more than 2,000 channels without the need for a direct contract. Now, what if you already have some candidates on your computer? You can also create your candidates manually in a number of ways. For example, it is possible to simply upload 1 or up to 1,000 resumes at a time. Manatal will automatically extract all the information contained in a resume and create a populated candidate profile for you. If you have candidates on an Excel or JSON file, it's no problem at all. We offer a tool allowing you to easily import those candidates directly in Manatal. Once a candidate has been created, you can open up their profile. In these candidate profiles, you will find everything you need to know about your candidate. An important thing to know is that all of these fields under the Summary tab can be fully customized, giving you total control over what to display. Candidate profiles also contain the resume of your candidates. Maybe you want to customize candidates' resumes before sharing them with hiring managers. Here, we provide you with all the tools to do just that. It is possible to integrate your business email with Manatal to centralize all the email communications you have had with your candidates in one place. In addition, email templates can be created to further streamline and standardize communication. Another feature our users love as it allows them to understand their candidates better is social media enrichment, which displays the online social media presence of each of your candidates. From a candidate profile, you can also easily track the jobs they've been added to and at which stage they are currently at, giving you a good overview of the candidate's current status. Communicating with your recruiters or a hiring manager about a candidate is also extremely easy through the notes system. Also very handy, the attachment tab allows you to attach files to each candidate profile, such as contracts, certificates, or any other document. Once you start receiving candidate applications, you will eventually reach a point where you will need to share these candidates with hiring managers. With Manatal, instead of having to craft an email, attach a resume, write a summary, and then send that email, Manatal offers an external portal where you will be able to share candidates for each job with the relevant hiring manager. These hiring managers will be able to log in for free, review the candidates you have submitted, and collaborate with you. From this portal, hiring managers can easily click on a candidate and review their profile and leave their notes. After each action is taken by a hiring manager, you will be notified immediately as to not miss anything. Finally, this access for your hiring managers is completely free of charge. Moving on, to help you leverage your current candidate pool, Manatal provides a feature called recommendations. It is particularly useful when you have new positions. Using AI, we extract the key requirements from your vacancies and search for the best candidates in your database for that specific position. This will immediately provide you with potential candidates for that role, ranked by how well their profile matches the job description and other key requirements you've inputted when creating the job. This is very powerful if you have a large database, as it has the potential to greatly reduce the time spent sourcing candidates, since your recruiters will immediately be able to see what's hot in your candidate database. Once you will have made your first hires, your reports will start populating. These reports are going to give you more insights into how your jobs are performing. It is possible to identify where your candidates come from, whether they have been sourced from your recruiters, have applied through job boards, or come from other channels. You can even view from which job boards they are coming from, making it easy to identify which channels are bringing you the most value and where it's worth investing your time and money. These reports also let you know how your pipeline is performing, such as how many days did it take you to hire someone for a position, conversion rates, and many other metrics that will help you understand your performance better. Additionally, we have a dedicated tab for reporting. Here, you will be able to find many more metrics that will help you understand better how you are performing from a high level. Now, heading to the Candidates tab, we will discuss how to sort, organize, and search for candidates in your database. First, at the top of the interface, you can run a quick search. This is something that is practical if you want quick information. Looking for a candidate, for example, you can easily search for them by entering their name, phone number, or email address. If you want to perform a more comprehensive search, we have other functions for that as well. One of them is through the filters. All of these filters represent the information present in the summary of your candidates' profiles. Let's take an example. Say you are looking for a CEO. Additionally, you may want a CEO from your database that is in a particular city. You can add as many filter combinations as you want. This gives you a lot of flexibility in terms of what you wish to search for. Now, maybe you are running a search and you find out you have thousands of candidates that meet your criteria. Going through them one by one is going to be very time consuming. In that case, you are best off using the advanced search. The advanced search is similar to recommendations in that it ranks candidates for you. This means that after adding filters, Manatal will rank candidates based on what you are looking for, making it easy to identify the top results very fast. Finally, Manatal also includes a Boolean search function. The Boolean search will allow you to search using keywords. This search is very powerful because not only will it search the candidate's summary, but it will also search their resume. If you created your candidates using social media, you will be able to search for information gathered there as well. This search is very powerful and it works just like any other Boolean search. Manatal includes many more features, but we have covered here most of the core functionalities of the platform. One last extremely important point is customer support. There are many ways in which you can interact with us. First, we provide a comprehensive documentation in which you will be able to find everything about Manatal. Simply type keywords and you will be offered the most relevant articles. For example, if you were searching for how to create candidates in your database, you can simply type create a candidate and you will be able to access the relevant resources to guide you. In case you don't find what you are looking for in the documentation, you can always talk to us. This is a dedicated live chat support that is available around the clock and available to all users. And lastly, we have some very useful tutorials for new users, as they will take you through the first steps of using Manatal. And that's all for this presentation. Feel free to start your 14-day free trial to discover what other features will help streamline your recruitment operations, and to contact us if you have any questions.